How to make iPhone screen stay on when locked. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. On the next screen, scroll down again and tap on Auto Lock. Here, this setting is initially set to 1 minute. When you tap on it, this opens a list of time intervals. Change the selected option from 1 minute to never. A checkmark appears next to never to confirm the new setting. Now, you can view it as changed to the never option. After this change, the iPhone screen will remain on indefinitely until you manually press the side button to lock it. Following these steps, you can easily make the screen stay on when locked on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.